everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And today's reaction, this has been requested quite a number of times when I did my Thaikudam Bridge reaction, the first one. This is Thaikudam Bridge's best live tribute. This is a tribute that they give to A.R. Rahman, and this was really requested. And of course, I love A.R. Rahman and I love both of Thaikudam Bridge songs, the Fish Rock song as well. Navarasam was amazing. Navarasam was just unbelievably good. It was such a hauntingly beautiful song and with such a great message as well. So yeah, without dealing this, because this is quite a long video, it's 12 minutes. So yes, let's get into it. All right. Wow, this is going to be really exciting. Okay. I think this is from some award show. Yeah.
VCare presents Behind Woods Gold Mic Music Awards, supported by VVD, powered by Ponvandu, Saukya மற்றும் Ruchi Magic.
இப்ப இன்னைக்கு பேண்டுகளின் தலைவனா இருக்காங்க அப்படினு சொல்லலாமே. இவங்க எங்க போனாலும் தெறிக்க விடுவாங்க.
Thaikudam Bridge for this very special performance to Rahman sir, a tribute to him.
Oh wow. Nice.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बहराई सी मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली दक 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 सांसें, जिन्हों जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले,
Love the rock vibe.
तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती.
Nice. Oh, another great song. I know the Hindi version.
लाखों तारे हैं बस तेरे ही ये सारे, किस बात की होती है फिर तकरारें, खींची है लकीरें इस जमी पे पर ना खींचो देखो, बीच में दो दिलों की ये दीवारें, दुनिया में कहीं भी दर्द से कोई भी, दुनिया में कहीं भी दर्द से कोई भी तड़पे तो हमको यहाँ पे एहसास उसके जख्मों का होगे, अपना भी दिल भर भर आए रोए अखियाँ।
Singing really well.
மஞ்சள் அரைக்கையில கரிசக்காட்டு ஓடையில கண்டாங்கி தவக்கையில நல்ல கழுத்து மேட்டில் என்னை இழுத்து முடிஞ்சிக்கிட்டு போறவள கல்யாண சேலையில கண்ணீர் தொடச்சிக்கிட்டு போறவள
Nice. Everybody so much in sync. I love it. What? What? No.
दुश्मन ताक में
Oh wow, they chose this one. Amazing.
और हम तैयार है सीना लिए अपना इधर, खून से खेलेंगे होली घर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
Amazing. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Look at him, he's so happy.
Mike,
Okay, it's over. It's over. Yes, we know. Okay, stop this first. Ooh! Oh my god, that was the ending. Was my favorite. The ending was my absolute favorite. Thank you guys again. Thanks to all of you only that you guys suggest me all of these amazing videos that I do not know of, and I get to know of such great bands and performances. This was such a great performance and so wholesome. Everybody was in sync. I really liked all the vocalists, the guitarist, all the people who were at the background, who were doing the chorus, all the chorus people, and at the end, how they ended the song with the Rang De Basanti, Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna, with that rock. Oof. The ending was just like cherry on top of a beautiful cake. It was so good. I cannot believe like just 11 minutes just passed like that. That is how you just keep a performance so engaging. Of course, when the band performing or whoever artist is performing is so good, you don't even know how the time passes. You don't even know it. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to Thaikudam Bridge's tribute to A.R. Rahman. Thank you guys so much for suggesting me this video. I know there are many more songs and bands and musicians, artists that you have asked me to react to. I will do that one by one for sure. I have taken a note of it. I will do it. So yeah guys, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this and have come till the end of the video. If you have, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.